So to add our products, we have to go back to our Shopify dashboard. To get back to our dashboard, let's come over here to the top left and click on Exit. And make sure you have saved your changes before you do that. And this will take us back to our Shopify dashboard. And from here, let's head over to Products here on the left side. And then to add our first product, let's click Add Product. And here we can enter all the details for the product that we want to add, starting with the title here at the top. And then below, we can also add a description for the product. And if you don't know how to describe your product, you can make use of the AI feature from Shopify that helps you with creating a good description. Now below that, we want to add some images for our product. So I'm just going to drag and drop a few images in here. And you want to make sure to have high quality images that show your product in the best light. You can also rearrange the order here and decide which image should be shown first. And then below here, we want to set the price for this product. Now I want to sell this product at $49. Something else we can do here is add a compare ad price, which will be shown as a strike through price, saying that this product used to be more expensive and is now discounted to $49. And down here under inventory, we can enter how many of these shirts we currently have in stock. Now, whenever we sell one of these products, this number will automatically go down. And when it hits 0, then this product will be shown as sold out on our store. If you want to continue selling when out of stock, you want to make sure to turn continue selling when out of stock on. However, you can also manually adjust that number when you get new products back in stock. So that's up to you. Then down here under shipping, you can add the weight for the product, the volume for the box that you ship this product in, to kind of charge shipping rates based on weight or volume. I'm going to charge a flat rate for shipping, so I'm not going to enter any of these details here. Then here under variants, you can add different sizes or different colors for the products that you want to sell. And you can also set different prices for like larger sizes or for different colors for your products. For now, I'm going to just leave this as is. Then down here, you have some more options, and you can also change how this product will be found in search engines. Now I'm going to leave everything as it is and click on Save. Now our first product has been added to our store, and when we go over to products, we should be able to see our product right here.